I have a question for you. Do you feel like your Instagram posts are falling a little flat lately? Do you feel like you create all this great content, but every time you post, you just get crickets? Tune in and watch this video because I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to increase your Instagram engagement and create raving fans who want so much more from you. I'm so glad you tuned in, and if you are a health coach or any other type of online coach who wants online business and marketing tips to grow your business, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notified every single Thursday when I post a new video. And if you're super confused as why your Instagram followers don't seem to give a crap about all the great content you post, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you 5 super juicy tips to help increase the engagement of your Instagram followers. And hi guys, I'm Kendra Perry, and I went from having total crickets on my Instagram account to regular likes, comments, views, and even DMs with every single piece of content I post. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So tip number 1. First off, you need to make sure you are posting really good, high quality content. You actually need to put some effort into it. If your content isn't good, then there's really nothing you can do to actually increase the amount that people want to engage with it. So first off, make sure you're providing very high quality content. Think of who your ideal client is and what types of things would actually help them in their healing journey or whatever it is that they are trying to solve. So back in the day with social media and with Instagram, it actually made sense to be posting every single day or even multiple times a day. These days, quality matters way more than quantity. So how often should you be posting to Instagram? Well, I would say you should be posting as often as you can produce high quality content. If you can do that 5 days a week, all the power to you. I know I can't. But if you can only post 1 high quality piece of content a week, then that is fine. Just make sure you're providing a really good value in the Instagram posts that you post to your feed. So for example, long form captions do much better these days. Instagram wants you to actually keep people on Instagram. So post maybe once or twice a week on Instagram, use a long form caption and just make sure that it provides value and actually gives your ideal client something that can help them in their journey. Number 2 is that you actually have to ask your followers to engage. If you don't ask them to engage, they don't know to engage. Funny enough, people actually like to be told what to do. I mean, I hate being told what to do, but most people, they want to be told what to do. So if you are creating an Instagram story, an IGTV, or a post for your feed, ask your people a question. Ask them to comment, ask them to like, ask them to double tap, ask them to do something, and they might actually just do it. So every time you write a caption, make sure that you ask them questions during the caption, and at the end, you could say something like, what is your biggest struggle with your health? Comment and let me know. If you buy into this post, if you love this post, give me a strong arm emoji. Ask them to engage. When you ask, you receive. Number 3 is to use IGTV or Instagram TV. So this is Instagram's new app. It was rolled out about a year ago, and it actually allows you to post longer form videos, so video up to 10 minutes. And right now, Instagram really wants to push IGTV. And for this reason, your Instagram TV videos are going to get probably 5 to 10 times more engagement than any other piece of content that you might post on Instagram. This is the experience that I was having. My posts are getting less engagement. My stories do pretty well, but my IGTV videos are getting so much more traction. So if you're not currently utilizing IGTV, you need to start using it now. And if you guys are wondering what the heck is IGTV and how can I optimize it, make sure to watch my video, how to get more views using IGTV. Number 4 is get to know the IG story features. There's all kinds of new features that you can actually use to engage with your audience. For example, there is the Ask Me a Question feature. There is the chat feature where you can invite, I think, 32 people into a chat to actually engage with them. You can create a poll. You can ask them to send you a DM. There are so many different stickers and emojis and GIFs that you can use on your IG stories to actually get your people to engage with you. So your homework is to go on your IG stories right now and experiment with some of those features. Number 5 is to reach out and engage with your followers. So outreach is something I still do, even though I have 9,000 plus followers on my Instagram account. So anytime someone follows you who you believe fits into that ideal client of yours, go into the DMs and send them a message, a personal message, not one of those cheesy automated replies. Those actually piss me off a little bit. So don't do that. Please don't do that. But what you can do is you can go send people a personal message, or even better, you can send them a voice message. So this is something that I love to do with any new followers who follow me. If they look like they're an ideal client, so for me, it might be a health coach or some other type of online coach, I actually send them a DM voice message and I say, hey, thank you for following my account. I really appreciate it. I was looking through your feed and I noticed this, or I noticed that. That's really cool. And hey, I'm wondering, what's your biggest struggle in your business? I'm creating some free content right now, and I love to take inspiration from my followers. And if they get back to you, especially if they send you back a voice message, that is really high quality engagement. That ranks super high in the Instagram algorithm. And what that means is they are going to be way more likely to see your stories and your posts in their feed, because what that tells Instagram is that they like your content. Okay, so now you know how to better your engagement on Instagram, but if you want to go a little bit deeper and make sure your bio is optimized to attract your ideal client, you can click the link below and grab my Instagram bio cheat sheet to make sure that you have the best bio that you could possibly have, and that link is below. And if you like this video, make sure to let me know by liking it, sharing it with your fellow business besties, and subscribing to my channel. And if you found this helpful, just comment below with the word awesome, and then I'll know to create more content just like this. Okay, so go engage those sexy followers of yours, and I will see you in the next video.